Hey guys and girls, this is Becky, and today I'll be showing you my Monster High mini haul. Alright, all of this stuff I got at Kmart, everything, that I'm still going to show you. And, two of the things are kind of hard to find. Well, they're brand new. Alright, so first I'm going to show you, there is actually, five things in this haul. So first is the Monster High jewelry set. Comes with a necklace and earrings. And then, well, there's a clip on the back. I will be doing reviews on these. In fact, I will be doing a review on this. So yeah, and then I got the Scarus City of Frights Frankie. The reason she's already out of the box is because I was so excited to open her. Oh, and I got a new blanket. Really fuzzy, Zika. And all of the stuff is from my grandma. Well, not the blanket, it's from my other grandma on my left side. So, yeah. But everything is from the grandma on my dad's side. Alright, and then the Create-A-Monster, insect. Well, she looks like a beautiful quality, but the thing about this is she doesn't come with torso. She doesn't come with a torso or upper arms or upper legs. Yeah. So there's the front, and then the back, and then the Monster High and Siren. Alright, so these are the new Create-A-Monsters. This one doesn't come with a torso or upper arms. Well, it doesn't need any lower parts because the huge fin. And so this one only just needs so in this pack you would really just need upper arms and a torso, then it would be finished. So there, the Siren. And then on the back, it shows the new Ice and Blah Girl, and then the Mummy and the Gorgon Girl, and then the Siren, and then the Harpy. Coming after that one, and then the Child. And then, of course, if I got the Siren and then the Harpy was the newest one, I couldn't have to get the Harpy. This is the last Harpy. They had two Sirens and one left. So yeah, she doesn't come with a torso or upper arms or upper legs. So yeah. She's really cool. I like these both equal. I don't have a favorite or non-favorite. I like these both the same. I like these a lot. I really love her wings, her Harpy wings. Yeah, they're really cool. They're purple, and I love purple. The color purple. I love that color to no end. So yeah, that's all the stuff in my mini haul. Watch the reviews for this stuff. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye. The next review will be the Monster High jewelry set. Bye.